So example 2, we say that when it exists, so s to infinity exists for converges, and s to infinity does not exist, we say it diverges. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, means the sum doesn't come close to a number. But when the sum gets closer and closer and closer to a number, we use the word converge. So for part A, what's our R value?
1/4.
1/4. We would say this converges. Wow. Isn't that annoying? Have you noticed that? I start writing and it erases previous things I work. If I just put a dot here, you're like, I don't know what's going on with that. So s to infinity exists. Where'd the I go? Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay. If it converges, find the sum, so we can find the sum for A, because we know this formula. I'll rewrite it out. Term 1 over 1 minus R. So for us, term 1 is 32 over 1 minus 1/4, which is 32 over 3/4. How do you divide by a fraction? Top fraction is 32 over 1. You multiply by the reciprocal. So I multiply by 4 over 3. This will give me, as an exact answer, 128 over 3. Do they write the decimal at the bottom? Yes. They wrote down 42.6, but I would leave my answer as the fraction 128 over 3. Okay, in part B, what's our R value in part B? Looks like we're dividing by 10, and you see how it's switching positive and negative. If you're ever unsure what the R value is, you can pick any two in a row. Okay? If I pick the second and the first one, my second one's minus 10, my first one's 100. And if I reduce this, I get negative 110. So I can use any two numbers in a row to find my R value as well. Sometimes you just can see it, but sometimes the numbers aren't being nice to you. Then you can always divide to find it out. This one also is between negative 1 and 1. So it converges and the sum exists, so we can find it. Sum to infinity. Term 1 was 100 over 1 minus negative 110. Negative 1/10. So 1 minus negative 1/10 is like 10 over 10 plus 1 over 10, which is 11 over 10. Multiply by the reciprocal, 100 over 1 times by 10 over 11, which is 1,000 over 11, which as a decimal happens to be 90.90 repeated. So you can circle questions 5, 6, 7, and 10. We're going to do the last example together right away.